Welcome everybody. Here we go. Got a double dose today because I've been meaning to tell you all week. Starting tomorrow, I'm going to suspend my classic vintage toy, I guess is more appropriate. What have I been doing? Basically, taking stock of what I've got and trying to get everything organized, everything. I'm going to shift over to doing the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar until Christmas. And then we'll pick back up normal programming, the day after Christmas. But just so you know, there are going to be more vintage toys coming back, and I'll make sure and point that out as I go along. And the Guardians of the Galaxy build thing I've been doing in my shorts is going to keep going too. I'm just going to suspend this and do the Advent Calendar, and then get back into this later. But with that being all that boilerplate stuff out of the way, look at the Snowspeeder first, because it appeared first in the movie. It does have representations of, I always call them Luke and Dak. The harpoon still in place. As you can see, at some point the cannons got bent out of shape. This one, it's still metal shell and plastic underneath. The landing gear does go out and in. Let's see if I can get a introduction. 1980 on this one. I see it now. Got the cooling fins back there for the engines. And let's see. My brother actually did have the big Snowspeeder. Of course, being a brat, 5 years younger, I broke it. Because he would never let me play with it. So if he was ever not around, I played with it and proceeded to break it. Because I was, let's say, a brat. But that's pretty. Like I say, this and the Slave One over there is the last of the ones that I had. I don't know if we had any more than the ones I've shown this week or not. I don't believe so. But it's got Slave One does have the functioning, whatever you call these things, wings. They do balance out. This one. There's the 1980 on it as well. The cannons are connected. They do spin simultaneously. Of course, Boba Fett in the pilot seat. And actually a pretty good representation of him given some of the quality of the others we've seen this week. Not just a blue blob. Let's see. I'll say same. So just this outer shell is only metal part, plastic, and plastic on the body of it. I don't know how they decided we're going to make this much of it metal and this much of it plastic. No other moving parts and no other real details there. So that's anything else. Does this one have the? I'm still confused by the one that had General Mills on it earlier this week. Maybe that was a cereal giveaway or something. I don't know. That was weird. But and you can probably tell I forgot to clean these before I brought them out. I just didn't feel like stopping to do it again. But anyway, there's a Snowspeeder and Slave One. So, I'll say tomorrow we'll start up on the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.